Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, NASA iTech affiliates, members of the military, and people around the world. There are currently a shortage of 2 million face masks and 2 million face shields in the state of Louisiana alone, a major hotspot for the growing pandemic. Healthcare professionals are on the front lines, battling the current crisis of COVID-19 and having to resort to homemade apparatuses that are not effective at preventing the spread of viral particles. Not only are there a shortage of masks, but current N95 and other makeshift garments do not properly filter viral particles. COVID-19 particles range from 60 to 140 nanometers, while N95 masks only filter particles at 300 nanometers, a significant problem needing to be addressed rapidly. We have the solution through 3D printed masks with an increased filter porosity to 50 nanometers, along with so much more here at OrganicNANO. Hi, I'm Chris Miller, the Director of Research for Nanomedicine Research and Development, CIO for OrganicNANO, a PhD candidate in molecular science and nanotechnology, and a self-trained Ironman triathlete with professional aspirations one day. Our dynamic team, led by CEO Dr. David K. Mills, are ready to advance with commercialized products addressing the current mask shortage. We have a patented technology to apply metal ions to the outside of halloysite nanotubes in a cost-effective, organic manner using only water and electricity. Metal ions have been known for their potent antiviral and bacterial effects, and halloysites can further be vacuum-loaded with drugs to enhance their antimicrobial properties. These sophisticated filter systems for masks are interchangeable and can be combined with current NASA color-changing filters to indicate healthcare professionals when to change them. We can also think to apply these filters to ventilation systems aboard the ISS, spacesuits for our astronauts, and of course the space shuttle itself. Our technology does not stop at filter systems either. They can be applied to bandages to enhance wound healing, alleviate pain and inflammation, and eliminate infection. A significant medical kit upgrade for warfighters, current astronauts, and people without proper medical access. And what about replacing titanium screws with halloysite embedded calcium phosphate screws? We can do that too. Join us at OrganicNANO to innovate personalized patient care, protect our warfighters and astronauts, and help save lives across the world. Thank you for your time.